The world will never give you permission to shine. That permission exists only within you. True change begins when you stop waiting for others and start believing in your own power. Every small decision you make builds the foundation of your destiny. Choose courage, choose focus, choose growth, even when no one is watching. Your mind is the most powerful tool you own. Protect it, sharpen it, and feed it with thoughts that empower rather than limit you. Obstacles aren't enemies, they are signals. Every challenge reveals opportunity hidden within struggle. When life pushes you down, it's often preparing you to rise higher than ever before. Fear is temporary. Regret is permanent. Don't let hesitation steal the life you could live. Step forward, even if your steps are small. Momentum is born from action, not ideas. Pressure shapes diamonds. If you're under stress, you're being molded for greatness. Your mind is your inner universe. What you focus on expands. Feed it thoughts of abundance, growth, and possibility, and watch your reality transform. Comparison is the thief of joy. The only person you need to outperform is the person you were yesterday. Track progress, not perfection. Consistency beats motivation. Motivation sparks action, but consistency builds empires. Show up, every day, for yourself. Success is not measured by applause or numbers. Success is inner alignment, the peace of knowing you are living intentionally, learning relentlessly, and growing continuously. Your failures are not scars, they are signposts pointing the way to mastery. Every mistake teaches more than every success ever could. Lead with integrity. Speak less to impress, more to empower. The legacy you leave is shaped not by wealth, but by the lives you touch and the minds you awaken. Tomorrow is uncertain, and yesterday cannot be changed. Life exists in this moment. Give it your full attention. Act with intention, think with clarity, and live with courage. Gratitude transforms ordinary days into extraordinary experiences. Celebrate small wins, honor lessons learned, and carry forward the wisdom gained. Remember, your story is authored by you. Don't hand the pen to fear, doubt, or procrastination. Write a story worth telling. Thank you for watching Wiseman Vault. Let these thoughts guide you, empower you, and ignite your inner potential. Subscribe and hit the bell to receive daily wisdom that can truly transform your life.